I'm making a video to highlight this very rare and special pocket watch. So what I have here, this is a solid 18 karat gold, 2-day, fully skeletized pocket watch. And it's a large pocket watch, measuring just slightly over 51 millimeters, excluding the bow and stem. And what makes this so special is that this pocket watch was actually issued by Harley Davidson. And they only made 50 of these. And they were not available to the general public. They were only available to owners of Harley Davidson dealerships. And of the 50 that were made, this watch is numbered 1 of 50. So it's the first one that they made out of 50. Comes with the original matching solid 18 karat gold pocket watch chain. And then of course the box. And this was issued to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Harley Davidson. Bear with me. It has the original papers, which is also numbered 1 of 50. It's an incredibly rare watch, a very fine watch, and it's just gorgeous. So on the inside, it's also engraved 1903 to 2003, Harley Davidson. You have the same on the outside case. It's a wonderful, wonderful watch. It's a heavy watch as well. The watch measures almost 100 grams. And the movement, especially being skeletized, would not be that heavy. Maybe 20 grams. So it's a 2-day pocket watch. I'm going to close this, but I always press the top button when closing pocket watches. That's just the best way to do it. Everything closes nicely. So in summary, it's a very rare and a very special pocket watch. And if you're a fan of Harley Davidson motorcycles, this is an opportunity for you to have this watch. And you may be the only person who does not own a Harley Davidson dealership that has this watch. Because again, to reiterate, only 50 of these were made. They were not sold to the general public. They were sold to owners of Harley Davidson dealerships, and the price was $11,750 back in 2003. And this is number 1 of 50. It's a very, very cool watch. Take care.